In this video, I'll show you how to automate expense reporting in Expensify with receipt scanning. First, sign into your Expensify account and open the mobile app. Make sure receipt scanning is enabled and that you're signed into the correct workspace if you're using one. Next, tap the camera button to scan a receipt. Position the receipt clearly within the frame and take a photo. Expensify will automatically scan the receipt and extract details such as the merchant, date, total amount, and currency. After that, review the scanned information and make any corrections if needed. Once everything looks correct, assign the expense to the appropriate report or create a new report if one doesn't already exist. Now continue scanning additional receipts. Each new expense can be automatically added to the same report, helping you organize your expenses without entering the details manually. Finally, review the completed expense report and submit it for approval or reimbursement when you're ready. Your scanned receipts and expense data will already be attached to the report, making the process much faster. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to automate expense reporting in Expensify with receipt scanning. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.